What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shrek. Oh, I'll probably do an intro for this one later, but by the time you guys see this video, you guys already know what car we're in because I'll already have posted a review. So anyways, it has a check engine light. It's been a while since I work on OBD1, but I do know that they have this little blue plug. This one's all tore up, so I'm going to end up going to a pick apart and finding a replacement. Anyways, to check the check engine light on an OBD1, you put a paper clip. Luckily, the previous owner left me a paper clip, so you put it in between the pins just so they do contact. So let me go ahead and put this because it's broken. All right, so technically, well, basically, you jump it like that from one end to the other. Then, and excuse the night video, but today I barely picked this one up. Of course, this will be after the review, like I said. I just picked this car up today, and most of you guys feel me on this one. When you first pick up a car, you get really excited with it and you want to fix as much as possible. So we got our jumper on the OBD port, or the little 2-pin or 2-cable switch to check your codes. So this is what it's doing, guys. So yeah, guys, it just keeps doing that over and over. So I'm trying to figure out what it can be, but I'll try a few things right now. I read that someone switched their intake air control valve and their mass airflow, I believe, sensor back and forth or between each other, and that helped. Mine doesn't actually give me a code. It just keeps doing this like on a loop. But I'm gonna try it just in case. Maybe it works, and hopefully that's the fix. Like I said, I just picked it up today and super excited with it. Does need some maintenance work, but I picked it up at a really good price. Clean little EG. Oh, EG coupe, whatever it is. These are the, what are they? EJ2s. Yeah, clean little EJ. All right. Alright, so we have both of them right here. It's these two. There's no way these are switched around. The wires wouldn't reach. I'm wondering what it can be then. It isn't giving me no actual codes. I don't see anything else disconnected. Things are all messed up though. Wiring harness is all jacked up. I'll keep messing with it and I'll keep you guys posted, guys. Another night, once again, as you guys can tell, we are working on the white EJ, little EG coupe. So, spoke with a couple of friends that are more familiar with Hondas. I've been out of the game for years now. And one of my buddies was like, look, that flashing looks like a code 10 to me, since it's just a solid continuous, basically a 10. He said maybe troubleshoot that one. So I went ahead and bought the, doesn't have a name on here. It's called the air temperature or air intake temperature. It's, get the light. Let me see if I could get you guys a closer view. So it's that one right there. That sensor right there. That one right there. Oops, sorry. That one right there. Probably get a little arrow and point down at it. But yeah, that's the sensor. Let me actually get you guys a proper name for it. All right, guys, so it is called the air charge temperature sensor. And it looks, well, I'll show you guys the old one. I'll show you guys the old one because I already replaced it, but it looks like this. And this was the culprit, I think. Haven't turned on the car yet. I'm also doing spark plugs, cap rotor, and cables on it. So it's running a lot smoother. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do that. That way tomorrow we could get a smog on it. But I just switch out that sensor so far. Doing this, I'm gonna change out the spark plugs. I'll show you guys how those are. Cables were pretty beat up. So let me go ahead and install this stuff and I'll be right back. All right, guys, here goes the first spark plug. It's actually not bad. Go ahead and do the other one. All right, let's see the second one. Oh God, this is not good. Not good at all. All right, let's go ahead and see plug number 3. Dry as a bone. I already loosened up number 4 as well, so. Number 4. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other 3 spark plugs back on, and then hopefully that check engine light came off, so we'll check that right now as well. Let me go ahead and put them on, and then put the wires back on and go ahead and start it for you guys. All right, guys, so here goes the moment of truth. Yes, it did come off, guys. It is off, thank God. We were able to fix that. Engine still sounding strong. We will be needing a stereo because, as you can tell, this one doesn't stay, or unless I get something that gets stuck right there. Yeah, so they had a little paper clip, huh? Figure something out for this. Maybe double-sided tape. I don't have any CDs. Oh, they have a CD in there. What are they listening to? Okay. Okay. All right. It actually sounds really strong, guys. I think we did it. So far that's it for this video. Show you guys just a few little things I've done. I am going to buy some carb cleaner and an air filter so I can fix that. We're doing an oil change soon. I will be buying, like I said, a carb cleaner to clean out the sensors and see what else we need to fix on it. Fuel filter, just in case. I like doing those basic things. But all in all, there she is, guys. Got the check engine light. And I believe that was number 10. Forgot the name. There'll be a little tag down on the bottom for the name of the sensor we replaced. And yeah, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe. And get ready because we will have more content for the 2 Civics, along with more content for Diesel Diaries, working on our day-to-day life on the big rigs. All right, guys. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.